Have you ever noticed how everyday tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries seem harder as you age? What if I told you that by age 60, many people lose up to 30% of their muscle mass, leading to a condition called sarcopenia that increases the risk of falls and frailty? But forget expensive pills or complicated regimens. There's a simple natural solution hiding in your kitchen, a special porridge that can help combat sarcopenia and rebuild strength after 60. In today's video, I'll reveal how this everyday breakfast can end muscle loss naturally, backed by research from top institutions in the US, UK, and Europe. We'll cover the science, share 3 actionable tips to make it work for you, and explain why it could transform your health. If you're ready to feel stronger and more independent, hit that like button now, subscribe for more senior health tips, and comment below where you're watching from, USA, UK, Canada, or Australia. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the problem, sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function that often starts in our 50s and accelerates after 60. According to the National Institutes of Health in the United States, up to 50% of adults over 80 experience sarcopenia, leading to reduced mobility, higher fall risks, and even dependency on others. In the UK, the NHS reports that sarcopenia affects 1 in 10 older adults, contributing to over 200,000 hospital admissions annually from falls. Symptoms include weakness, fatigue, and difficulty with balance. Without intervention, it can worsen chronic conditions like osteoporosis or heart disease. But the good news? Nutrition plays a key role in prevention. Clinical research from the European Society for Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism shows that targeted dietary changes can slow or even reverse muscle decline. Remember, sarcopenia isn't inevitable. Simple swaps in your diet can protect your muscles. Now, onto the star of the show, this porridge that ends sarcopenia naturally. We're talking about oat-based porridge, rich in beta-glucan, a soluble fiber proven to support muscle health. But it's not just plain oats. We'll supercharge it with science-backed additions. Here are 3 actionable tips to make your anti-sarcopenia porridge. Tip 1. Start with whole oats as your base. Use half a cup of rolled oats cooked in water or low-fat milk for a creamy texture. This provides beta-glucan, which research shows can alleviate muscle atrophy. Why does this work? According to a study published in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture, oat beta-glucan promotes myotube formation, the building blocks of muscle, and suppresses protein breakdown, helping to maintain muscle mass. In human trials, like one from China's National Center for Geriatrics, beta-glucan supplementation improved muscle strength in active adults by up to 15% after 4 weeks. For seniors, this translates to better daily function. As per Harvard Medical School guidelines, incorporating high-fiber grains like oats into meals can reduce inflammation, a key driver of sarcopenia. Clinical research in the United States shows that adults over 60 who consume at least 30 grams of fiber daily have 20% higher muscle strength compared to those who don't. Remember, this simple base of oats can flatten your risk of muscle loss. Start your day with it for noticeable results. Tip 2. Add a protein boost to fuel muscle repair. Stir in Greek yogurt, a scoop of whey protein powder, or even an egg white while cooking. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. This porridge becomes a powerhouse. Protein is essential because sarcopenia accelerates when intake drops below recommended levels. Science backs this up. A review in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, based on U.S. studies, found that older adults consuming 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily preserved 25% more muscle mass over 5 years. In the UK, the British Dietetic Association emphasizes high-quality proteins like dairy to mitigate sarcopenia, with trials showing improved grip strength by 10% in seniors. European research from the NU Age project, involving over 1,200 older adults, linked protein-rich diets to better physical performance and reduced frailty risk. As NHS guidelines state, combining protein with resistance exercise amplifies benefits. This one change, adding protein to your porridge, could protect your heart and muscles while you sleep, as overnight repair peaks with adequate intake. Repeat after me. Protein in porridge means stronger muscles after 60. Tip 3. Incorporate omega-3s and antioxidants for inflammation control. Top your porridge with a handful of walnuts, chia seeds, or blueberries. These add healthy fats and vitamins that combat oxidative stress, a major sarcopenia culprit. Here's the research. According to a study in the journal Nutrients from Canadian researchers, omega-3 fatty acids from nuts reduce muscle inflammation, improving strength in adults over 65 by 12%. In the U.S., the Framingham Heart Study found that higher antioxidant intake from berries correlates with 18% lower sarcopenia rates. European guidelines from the International Osteoporosis Foundation recommend vitamin-rich toppings to support muscle function. Clinical trials in the UK show that seniors adding omega-3s to meals experienced less muscle fatigue. Remember, this simple swap with nuts and berries can flatten inflammation and boost energy, making your porridge a natural shield against sarcopenia. To recap, sarcopenia steals muscle after 60, but this porridge fights back naturally. Start with oat base for beta-glucan, add protein for repair, and top with omega-3s and antioxidants for protection. Backed by Harvard, NHS, and U.S. studies, these tips could increase your strength by 10 to 20%. Implement them daily for best results. Before we wrap up, a quick word from our channel. If you're finding value in these research-backed senior health tips, please like this video. It helps us reach more people like you. Subscribe now for weekly updates on natural ways to stay strong and independent. And in the comments, share where you're watching from, maybe sunny Australia or bustling Canada. Your input inspires us to create more content tailored for you. Thanks for being part of our community. In conclusion, forget pills. This porridge ends sarcopenia naturally after 60. As clinical research in the United States shows, consistent nutrition like this can add years of vitality. Subscribe today for more tips and comment below which tip you'll implement tonight: the oat base, protein boost, or antioxidant toppings. Stay strong. Your health is worth it.